Hey everyone, it's Brandon. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to paint canvas vans the correct way. Here's a list of everything I'll be using in this video. First we have paint, my favorites being Angelus or Alpha Flex, GAC 900, a fabric softener, a paint palette or small cup, a paintbrush, an airbrush setup, painter's tape, and a heat gun to heat set the GAC 900. And then here's a list of some optional things you might want. Acetone for cleaning mess-ups, paper towel, stencils, and a craft knife. I made the stencils with my own stencil maker, but stencils are optional depending on the design you want. First, I'm going to create a base layer with a mixture of white paint and GAC fabric softener. This will help create straight, clean lines when using the stencils. Now that we have our base coat, you need to heat set the paint. You absolutely cannot skip this part. This is what's going to make the fabric soft and flexible. Here I have some Louis Vuitton stencils I cut. I'll be using these for the design. When using stencils, make sure to heat them up and press them. This will help them stick to the shoe better and will create a cleaner outcome. When you use an airbrush, make sure to spray light and even layers. Once there's a solid coat, you can start taking the stencils off. Sometimes when you airbrush, there might be overspray on the sole, but to fix this, all you gotta do is rub the sole with acetone. This gives it a really clean and professional look. Now I'm gonna repeat the same process for the next stencil. With a paint and gack mixture, I'm going to paint a couple sections on the shoe with a brush. Be careful with this because if you mess up on canvas, there's no reversing it. Once again, don't forget to heat set the shoes so they're soft and comfortable on your feet. Last step, don't forget the laces. Here are the results. Drop a comment on how you think they turned out and let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks for watching.